Good evening and welcome to Formaloo's office. My name is Farrokh and I'm the CEO of Formaloo. Today we are doing something special to celebrate a product we all know and love. Formaloo inspires us to be creative, productive, and do the best work of our lives. We continue to push the boundaries of the no-code industry forward. And I'm here today to share with you the next generation of the Formaloo platform, Formaloo 3.0. We want to kick off this spring by introducing a truly revolutionary product today. But I just got a few updates before we get to that. Over the last 3 years, we work with thousands of companies in more than 50 countries, from young startups to Fortune 500 companies. And I'm thrilled to share that just a few weeks ago, we officially broke 30,000 active businesses using Formaloo every month. Formaloo changed the way many businesses collect data, organize, and analyze it. Last quarter, our customers managed and analyzed more than 40 million of their customers using Formaloo. That's a huge milestone for us. Next update. As you know, one of the Formaloo's most popular features is brand protection. Unlike many other services, Formaloo doesn't advertise itself at your expense and allows you to use Formaloo completely under your own brand, 100% white labeled. And that's why more than 20,000 websites and mobile apps use Formaloo and their audience doesn't even know it. I'd like to take a moment and thank every one of our amazing customers and community members who made all of this possible with their support and feedback. Now, to the main event. We thought hard about what the next version of Formaloo should be. Over the past year, we received thousands of suggestions from our community. And we worked alongside you, our community, to see how Formaloo can improve. We found that more and more people are looking at Formaloo as a digital workspace. A digital workspace where they can easily access customer information, engage customers with interactive content, and share and collaborate easily with their colleagues. A digital workspace that acts as a central database for their business. A single source of information that lets you build customizable tools to engage your audience, from surveys and forms to CRMs and customer portals, all in one place. And that's exactly what we did. We turned Formaloo into an all-in-one digital workspace. And we like to show it to you today for the first time. Meet Formaloo 3.0. We redesigned our dashboard from the ground up to turn it into a central digital workspace, perfect for collaboration. Now, each business can define different departments, teams, projects, and clients. It's now super easy to organize all of your databases and tools. The new folder system allows you to swiftly navigate from one project to another and keep everything organized. We have added 10 new access management levels to Formaloo. Now you're able to share your workspace with your clients and limit their access to their own projects. Each member of your team can have a dedicated access level, and you can divide your organizations into different teams. This feature allows organizations to become GDPR compliant and HIPAA compliant by monitoring the access and activity of their team members. Another cool new addition to the new dashboard is our universal search, which is inspired by Apple Spotlight Search. Now, you can search all your databases, forms, and apps in one single place. What you want is just one click away. This universal search helps customers find what they want over 10 times faster compared to before. People have created hundreds of thousands of beautiful surveys and forms with Formaloo. Since Formaloo allows businesses to customize nearly everything in the UI of their forms, we have seen truly remarkable forms created by our creative customers. This inspired us to really think about what is the next step in our design process. And today, I'm happy to share the results with you. We are introducing an entirely new default design for our surveys and forms. As always, you get the same level of customizations as before. But now, your forms are so much faster and more beautiful. In our tests over the past few months, our new design have improved the click-to-complete rate of surveys by up to 50% compared to other players like Qualtrics, Typeform, and SurveyMonkey. On top of that, we added new SEO settings to all forms to modify and optimize your forms for your website, Google search results, and social networks. This is the most exciting part of the Formaloo 3.0. A question that we heard time and time again from our customers. Now that I have collected all of this data, how should I use it? And the answer was that you needed to glue 4 or 5 different tools together just to create a simple report or to compare and visualize different projects. Not anymore. With Formaloo Dashboard Builder, you can create any type of dashboard, report, data visualization, presentation, and more right inside Formaloo. You can connect multiple databases, surveys, and forms to create truly powerful internal and external dashboards for your business. Formaloo's building blocks like table, chart, form, Kanban, gallery, AI analytics, lists, login sign-up, and multimedia content enable you to customize your dashboard in any way that you wish. Just like Legos, your dashboard can come together however you want. It's fully customizable. It's super easy to create any kind of dashboard that you need for your business, from follow-up systems to tracking systems and more. You can even create a fully customizable CRM for your business using all of your customers' data, and even create different CRMs for each project, client, or department. The best part is that you have hundreds of templates to start with, like these. Let me show you how you can work with these templates. You just go to our templates page, pick one that you need. For example, I need a CRM one. Awesome. I like this one better. I can preview it. I can duplicate it right now. Let's preview it. Awesome. Looks good. I want this. And I just click here. And that's it. I have now created my own CRM. We all love and use integrations. Connecting different tools and platforms used to be hard, but now it's super easy. Now you can manage all your integrations and workflows in one central place. Formaloo's App Store is the new home for all your integrations, custom modules, and workflows. In the new Formaloo App Store, you can manage all your integrations, from marketing automation to payment gateways to APIs and webhooks. The best part is that we added a new monitoring system for you to monitor all your active workflows and integration in one place for your whole workspace. This helps you remain GDPR and HIPAA compliant at all times. You can also manage your team's access to any third-party app or data workflow. Best of all, we are introducing many of the most requested integrations and apps into Formaloo. We are happy to announce that Formaloo users can now integrate with HubSpot, Notion, Twilio, MailChimp, Brevo, and use our new PDF generator app. All these new apps are available today for our enterprise customers and will become available to everyone by June. One of the most important parts of customer experience and customer engagement is communication. And I'd like to show you how you can take this communication to the next level with Formaloo. Now, you can build your own personal branded client portals with Formaloo. A place where you can share exclusive content with your clients and they can interact with you in a secure way. Here, your clients can log into your portal and see their own dashboard, the status of their projects, tickets, and files, all in one place. You can customize this portal in any way that you want. Create different pages and sections for different segments of your clients. Create a file hub or a tracking system for each individual, and even update them on the latest changes and notify them via email or text messages. The best part is all of these can be under your own brand and website. You can also import all your clients right into your portal and turn on security options for your portal, including single sign-on and multi-factor authentication. In this part, we wanted to make creating surveys and forms even easier. Introducing Formaloo Form Builder 2.0, developed from the ground up. No more different pages and sections for different tasks. Now you can design and create your forms in one place, in a fraction of the time compared to before. We also added 5 new advanced fields that you can use in your forms. And I'd like to share with you the new capabilities of our logic system. Now you can define different rules and conditions for the matrix and table fields, as well as all dynamic fields. Also, you can leverage the new variable comparison to reduce the complexity of your forms significantly. Let me show you. Now, if you want to create a form inside Formaloo, you go here, select form. That's it. You are inside your own dashboard. You can edit base. You are in the editor right away. Everything is one single page. No more different pages for everything. You can click on each field to edit its design, itself, the logic, the calculation, everything. And also, you can click here to see the form setting. You can change the design of the form. You can have classic forms, one question at a time for conversational forms, and you can manage everything right here. As always, you can close this, make your form and preview it however you want, delete it right here, add a new field anywhere that you want. We have more than 40 fields that you can choose from, and everything is auto-saved. So every changes that I make is saved. I can select view, and I have my form. Also, if I go to the logic tab, I can manage the logic and calculation of every field as well as the whole form itself. If I click here, and that's it. Also, you have a logic map that you can visualize your logic as well. And if I want to, my form is ready and I want to share it, I click here and I can modify the address, set up my own custom domains, see the access management right here to manage access of this form, and also embed it inside my own websites in any way that I want, from script, iframe, or even conversational with chatbots. It's that easy. You can easily apply logic to apps and integrations as well. For example, Now you can send customized email notification based on each respondent's answer right into their inbox. And let me show you how easy it is to recall data in any part of your form using answer piping, or how easy it is to set up your custom domain and personalize the design of your forms. And I'm happy to say that you can have a form in multiple languages now and have them translated using our auto translation feature with AI. Let's check our building public roadmap together, where our community members and customers share all of their feedback, feature requests, and suggestions. You can see that one of the most requested features is the ability to create custom PDF files right inside Formaloo. And now, I'm happy to introduce the Formaloo PDF Builder. Send customers personalized quotes, proposals, and contracts based on their answers, or share the result of their quizzes in PDF format right inside Formaloo. Define different steps inside your workflow and send custom PDFs to your customers, clients, or team members. For example, you can send budgets and time of reports and generate any other document that you can think of and automatically send it to the right people. I know, a lot of new features, but we have just only begun. We saved the best part for last. Now, I want to talk to you about the next generation of Formaloo, Formaloo AI. Nowadays, you will hear about AI anywhere you go. And a lot of platforms are in so much hurry to just add an AI tag to their product name. So now you see a lot of platforms say that they have AI, but they are completely useless. We wanted to build something useful for you, not just a buzzword. We wanted to leverage our AI system and machine learning engine to solve important issues for our customers. For example, who needs an AI form generator when you have hundreds of free templates in Formaloo? We wanted to solve real problems for you. So we did a lot of research with our engineering team. As you know, Formaloo's machine learning engine and Formaloo's data analytics are the core part of our platform. So we wanted to unleash the full potential and power of Formaloo with the next generation of Formaloo. And I'm thrilled to announce for the first time the release of Formaloo AI engine, built on top of Formaloo machine learning engine, CDP, and customer data analytics. Formaloo AI is the next generation of the whole Formaloo platform. I don't want to get super technical here, so I wanted to explain the benefits of Formaloo AI instead. Our customers' most important challenge is that they cannot leverage their own data to grow their business. Each business has loads of data points, duplicated files, and messy spreadsheets that no one is using. Worse than that, their workflows and procedures become super complicated and messy over time. Formaloo AI helps companies improve their business vital signs with our AI-powered surveys and our AI customer engagement platform. Surveys and questionnaires were not really updated in the past few decades. We went from paper surveys to electronic surveys and kept everything the same. Same format, same questions, same answers. Boring and inefficient. Most studies show that people are less willing to participate in a survey every year, to the point that many companies are not doing traditional research with surveys anymore. Formaloo AI surveys will change that. The next generation of surveys help businesses collect trusted, reliable, and more importantly, unbiased data from their audience. So you can collect reliable data and analyze it with Formaloo AI-powered business intelligence dashboards. For example, Pharmaceutical companies are now using Formaloo AI to conduct double-blind studies with the most accurate results from their patients without any biased feedback. No more boring forms that remind you of tax forms. Beautiful, user-friendly, and more importantly, automatically collect the right information and analyze it and get rid of inaccurate results. We ran a few pilots of Formaloo AI with our enterprise customers in the past 6 months. And I'm happy to say that Formaloo AI surveys grew their average response rate by 317% and optimized 96% of all of their results automatically, which meant saving hundreds of hours for each organization. The most powerful module of Formaloo AI is the Formaloo Product Research Suite. Unicorns and tech companies are using Formaloo AI embedded inside their product to turn their customers into their own focus groups. One of the most interesting parts of Formaloo Product Research Suite is Formaloo AI agent bots. These AI bots will act as real users to test a new feature. Formaloo AI will use its feedback to analyze any part of a product automatically. This means that you don't even need to share your customer data or interactions with Formaloo AI at all. Customers also can provide honest feedback about a new feature, UX change, or a new product without even noticing that they are providing the feedback. Formaloo AI analyzes all gathered information and provides the enterprise with deep analytic points, such as missed opportunities, top threats, way to improve business model, UX improvements, and even deep competitor analytics. This kind of research used to take 3 or 4 months to complete and cost tens of thousands of dollars. But now, it can be done automatically with Formaloo AI at a fraction of the cost. An issue that a lot of businesses face is that they cannot really use the current AI platforms such as ChatGPT and other LLMs. Because no matter how good these platforms are, they are a general purpose built system. Yeah, you can use them for small things, but you cannot use them deep in your business. In a perfect world, each business had the ability to design its own AI system, train that system with its own databases, files, and workflows, and then design its own application that is powered by their own AI. However, we don't live in a perfect world. Creating a dedicated AI system like this needs a huge team of AI engineers, data scientists, and developers. It requires a lot, and I mean a lot of coding. But wait a minute. Isn't Formaloo a no-code platform? We should do something about this, right? And that's exactly what we did. With Formaloo No-Code AI Builder, you can design your own AI system. Train that system with your own databases, files, and workflows, and then design your custom applications that will be powered by your own AI. Formaloo AI Builder is a drag and drop platform where you can train your AI with your own databases, spreadsheets, and even files. And on top of that, you define for the AI your business logic, conditions, workflow automation, and so much more. Formaloo AI and machine learning engines take care of the rest. You can design your own UI and create different apps and workflows that uses your own AI, your data, and your rules, all without any coding. Let me show you how easy it is in real life. Let's create one thing together, right? Imagine that I want to create an ad generator for my business. I want to create a Google ad generator for my business that learns from my product, my strategy, and everything that I worked for. So I go here, let's create a new project. For example, I want to create a form. Good. Now that I have it, I can edit base. Awesome. Then I can define what I want to create. So Google Ad Generator, I have to show that what is my product. Okay. Product name. Let's talk about the strategy. Okay, strategy. Let's talk about who is the target customer and ICP of this Google ad. And that's it. I can create more complex version, but let's do it for now. And I come here, type /AI, and I have my own AI system enabled. So based on what I want to create a prompt that is useful for my ad. So I created this, paste it here. See how it works. So let's give the product name. For example, I want to create that for this. And here's our strategy and our customer ICP, criteria, anything else that I want to do. And I click generate. And it's analyzing and done. Now you have your own Google Ad Generator who used your own system to create a perfect ad for you. You can also train it with your own files. For example, if you have a product list or ICP list, you can create an file upload system here. Upload the file here, train it to the AI, and have the result to use for your own results. That easy. It took us less than 2 minutes to create something very useful for our business. And I have good news for our self-hosted community. As you know, Formaloo On-Premise is one of Formaloo's best-selling products, and we wanted to keep making it better as fast as we can. Formaloo On-Premise gives you the option to use your own infrastructure to host all of your databases, files, and everything. Security is the core value of Formaloo On-Premise. And that's why many banks, healthcare organizations, financial institutions, and universities choose Formaloo On-Premise. Formaloo On-Premise helps them with security, multi-team access management, user provisioning, GDPR compliance, HIPAA compliance, VPN-based access, and more than 10 other security modules. And now, I'm happy to say the arrival of the custom module playground, where you can design and deploy custom modules to Formaloo and add them to your self-hosted version. This helps your team to add new integrations and modules to their Formaloo much easier than before. And I want to announce our new partnership with Amazon AWS for Formaloo On-Premise. Now, all AWS customers can enjoy Formaloo On-Premise inside their own AWS infrastructure. And best of all, no technical team help is needed for all the setup. Now, I want to thank everyone who is here with us in this event. Thank you for supporting Formaloo and making it better with your feedback. I have 2 more great news before wrapping up. As a thank you, we are offering $100 per referral to all of you. So if you go to under your profile, you will see a new section called Refer a Friend, where you can see your own unique link that you can use for referrals to your colleagues and friends, and also access to your dashboard to monitor how many referrals you made, how many links are created, and every other analytics. With every annual purchase of Formaloo, you will get $100. It means 10 referrals, $1,000, 100, $10,000, and you get the idea. There is no limit, there is nothing else, no extra step. You can use it right now and it's enabled for everyone. Second good news. As a thank you for all of your support and feedback, and as a thank you for participating in our beta program, we are now offering Formaloo Pro for only $1 a month. So only with $1 a month, you can get Formaloo Pro for up to 3 months, where you can test all of the new features of Formaloo 3.0, Formaloo AI, the new PDF generator, form builder, dashboard builder, everything for only $1 a month for 3 months. This offer is available for every new customer and you can use it right now. It doesn't get better than that. And I know that I will see all of you in Formaloo 3.0 making great things for your business. We are always inspired by your creativity and pushing the boundaries of Formaloo forward. Thank you very much for being with us, and I hope you enjoy Formaloo more and more every day. Have a great day. We thought hard. And that's why today, more than 20,000 website and mobile apps. We received thousands of suggestions from our community, and we found that no. Cancel this.